Barbara Gerson. Barbara Gerson. What a great person.
Number 5, how to say it all in the subject line so that you improve those open rates. The best subject lines tell what's inside, and the worst subject lines sell what's inside. Begin boldly, be branded, and be brief. Subject lines are to be about 30 to 50 characters and ideally 5 to 8 words. Front load and make the first 2 words your best keywords. Did you know that Facebook in the subject line increases the open rate? And include a call to action like register now or buy today and save. 3 words to avoid in your subject lines: help, percent off, and reminder. Now this comes from MailChimp, and they analyzed over 200 million emails to distill that. If you send out a subject line that just says June newsletter, that's typical and boring. Actually, in my book, there's some actual subject line templates that'll really help you. Number 6, why metrics help you move the mark and manage your expectations. Learn what your clients are interested in. Metrics help you learn what doesn't work. Challenge yourself to get better and better. And when it comes to metrics, remember the top 5 inches is where the meat of the content needs to be in your emails. And I always say, increase the links to increase the clicks. So test to find your best. Number 7, aligning your email marketing to your sales strategy. Don't rush the sale. Give relevant, compelling content. Don't try to do too much in one email. Have a clear, single focus and clear call to action, like click here or download now. Number 8, trends and tips for planning your holiday email marketing. Plan early. Create a campaign. Use my Ready, Set, Grow Sales email marketing tactics form at the end of the handout to help you. And remember, words like shipping and free were most often used around the holidays, and the word now saw a higher open rate. And you can get additional tips and trends for the holidays in the Email Marketing Simplified book. Number 9, what not to do with email marketing. Don't outwear your welcome. Do not mess up the trust that you've been given. Do not clutter. Don't use too many fonts. And do not try to give too many messages or promotions. Have a single main focus and avoid getting tagged as spam. According to Google, spam is either a canned meat made from ham, which comes from a pig, I hope you appreciate my humor, or irrelevant or inappropriate messages sent out to the internet to a large number of recipients. Either way, it's not something that we want to get or give. So don't be an inbox hog and pop unwanted pop. I'm having fun, I hope you are. Unwanted emails in people's inbox. Make yourself undeletable. Number 10, what do I do next? Go to the website below, opt in, and mention referred by Barb's email video to get a subscriber special on my book. And remember, don't be an email hog.